Need extra income? Selling your credit card trade line slots risk-free for cold hard cash could be the answer. We've helped over 150 families sell their credit card trade line slots so they can reach their passive income goals, afford to fund their passion for traveling, purchasing their dream home, helping with kids' education, and even retirement. Are you ready to get cash for your good credit without compromising your accounts? LNCF is a top-rated company with the safest service and highest payouts when selling your credit card trade line slots. Credit card piggybacking is legal and 100% risk-free. Won't it feel great getting paid multiple times every month? Learn more by clicking the link below, calling 1-800-597-2560 or going to legalnewcreditfile.com. When you need money quickly, LNCF is here to help you.